Hi, I'm John Toohey with RJ Groner Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing.
And I'm Mike Katz, and I'm here today to tell you about our new Repairs to Rewards program.
Have you had any repairs done to your heating or air conditioning system in the last 12 months?
If you had, just send us or bring in your receipt. Doesn't matter who did the work. It could be RJ Groner or it could be any other company. You bring in the receipt, we will give you $1,000 off a new system.
Mike, this program just kicked off, and look at how many customers have come in with receipts for us already.
Come on, really? RJ, can you believe this? $2,250. Well, that's a major repair. You want a new system. Here's another one, $172. We don't care. We'll still give you $1,000 off, $1,000 off a new system.
Offer expires September 30th.
Call us, text us, or go to our website for details.